on, Kippy, let's go. Here comes Kippy. There you go. Whoa! Kippy's been in the cart about 30 seconds. He came with his brothers and sisters all the way from Syracuse for a measurement.
Are they littermates? Are they, all of them?
Yep.
And I think Kippy's...
You'll just have to free that. He'll learn eventually, but you'll just have to...
Yep, he'll learn how to steer. Oh, he's just busy
Trying to go
keeping up with the marking.
Oh, he's weeing. He is
Yeah,
doing
he's
his
peeing.
business.
Yeah, he's peeing right there in the cart.
Boy. Good boy.
Yay,
Kippy.
Kippy!
Kippy.
There you go.
Good. Good boy.
Good boy. All right, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go down.
Come on, guys.
Let's go.
Good boy, Kippy. Good boy.
There you go. Back to being a dog.
Yeah.
Back to being a
Yeah,
dog.
I tell you, that'll be
Oh yeah, there's lots of good sniffs in this yard.
Treats if you want them.
Thank
To give him some treats.
Big relief here, too. It'll be for small hunters there.
Oh yeah.
Women keep the heat pads on it and stuff. But
Who needs a treat? I got my wheels.
My dogs are way
I got
too
my
treaty.
wheels. I'm good.
Kippy.
Yay! Worth the trip?
Oh gosh.
Long ride. That's okay.
I do that
It's
all the time.
okay.
Want me to take him? All right.
We cry a lot here. Happy tears.